Hey guys, what's going on? So I thought I'd do a what's in my purse tag today. I found like some time before I have to go to my bar to open gym. If I could find my phone, I'd tell you how much time I have. I have about half an hour before I need to leave, so I'm gonna get started with this because I need to eat my dinner. Whatever, I'm having Chinese tonight, but my purse. It's better. Huge. On my purse, I have this keychain. It's got like a guitar right here. This one says I love Adam because Adam is my boyfriend. This one says I love Adam too. My mom got me this one, and then I got this one, and then this one just says my name. It just says Vicky. Vicky. I'm just gonna go pull some stuff out of here. I have this little note thing that I wrote at my 5 hour because I was bored. That's my little note. It's at Driver John's. I was clearly eating some Doritos, eating some Lay's, drinking a Coke, with my life. Don't drive drunk. One of my friends wrote that on there, the one that I went with. Oh no, she wrote this one. She wrote this I love you, and then I wrote that one, I love you too. There's more right there. So that's that. Yeah, this is so huge. I have my favorite perfume in the world. That would be my Victoria's Secret. It's called Tease. It's got this like leaf pattern on the back. It's pretty cool. Hold on, let me just start my dinner here. It's not a very good dinner. It's already a free college student. I'm eating ravioli for dinner. Dinner. What the hell? I have these headbands. I should have a third one somewhere. That's what's not in there, but I have a pink one, a red one, and then I have blue and white, but they're probably sitting on my foot. Not gonna lie, they're probably on my foot. I have one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8 packs of gum. Just to have it, I guess. Got me some ibuprofen. Got a little Victoria's Secret perfume. Smells really good. I have my iPod. This is actually like something that I always keep in my purses, like no matter what. It's this napkin, and it's from my grandma's funeral. My grandma was like my second mom. So when she died, it was really hard for me to get over it, and it'll be a year in September. September 13th will be a year. She was really close to me, and losing her is probably the hardest thing I've ever gone through. I went to school the day she died, actually, and like people were like, "What the hell are you doing here? Just go home. You're obviously moved on." And I was like, "No, I cannot be at home right now. Because if I'm at home, I'm just gonna think about her more, and it's just gonna make me cry more." So I keep this with me. It's like I have a piece of her with me. I have these tweezers, the purple zebra print. I have some Burt's Bees. I have some secret deodorant. I have this like pimple stuff, and it's tinted. Maybe I'll show you. That's what it looks like. It's tinted. Yeah. my EOS lip balm, bottle of hand sanitizer, a Nature Valley Ocean Honey granola bar, my camo, it's a Sanyo, it's pretty cool. I have this Gun lotion. It's like sparkly. I don't know if you can see it in this video. Yeah, you can't really tell in there, but when it's on, it makes you like sparkly. It's pretty cool. I have this Limeade lip balm. I have a pen. My sunglasses, and they have these skulls on the side. I have these for whatever. I have a really boring purse. I'm really sorry. Like, this more pimple stuff. It's pretty good pimple stuff. Makes your skin really dry though. My wallet. Zebra print on the front and giraffe on the back. That's where I put my money, but I'm poor right now. I just gave the last of my money to my boyfriend for food. Put receipts in there, I guess. My checkbook, picture of my boyfriend. My driver's license and all that jazz. It's right there. I have this little bag, and it's filled with hair things. My little tampon bag. It has tampons in it and band-aids. And then I have my makeup bag. It's got a bunch of perfume right here. And this is the only non-Victoria's Secret perfume. All of these little ones are all Victoria's Secret. And all my makeup, but I'm not going to go through my makeup bag right now. That'll be on a different video. And I have a pack of double mint gum. So yeah, that's my purse. I'm sorry it's really boring, but whatever. So comment, rate, and subscribe, and let me know what's in your purse. Leave me details on what's in your purse too. Down below. Yeah. If you have any questions on anything or anything like that, just let me know, and I will try and get back to you. So, hope you liked it. Bye!